Here's the rotating tool clamp, and I've got it set so it gives me 90 degrees of mobility, horizontal mobility. And this is great in the case you have a fastening application that is angled a little bit, and you need some more flexibility to get in. And that's this setting right here. You'll see there's a little pin. I can put that in a fixed setting too, so it doesn't move. And then I can create more vertical mobility by adjusting right here. Right now it's in the fixed position, but I can make it 90 as well. Now I just adjusted it so I have 90-degree mobility on both orientations. So I can move it like this or like this. So this really provides a lot of flexibility if you have tight applications that you need to fasten. All these pieces are aluminum. So the nice thing about these is they provide both horizontal movement as well as vertical movement, and you can adjust them so they're fixed, and you can adjust them so there's movement both horizontal and vertical up to 90 degrees as well. So in your kit you're going to get two different bags. You're going to get one bag that has this this piece, this bolt, and you're going to get a sleeve as well. And then in your other bag you're going to get an adapter. This adapter is what works to adapt it to an arm, a specific arm. So what you're going to do here is you're going to start with these two pieces, this, and you're going to insert, use this locking pin. You're going to insert this piece into this locking pin. So you can either put it where it's fixed, or you can put it to where there's adjustability up to 90 degrees there. I'm going to put it so it's fixed like this. And then you're going to put the bolt in. Oops, sorry, the other way. This. And then you're going to fit it and thread it into the tool holder like this. Okay. So you fasten this like this, and then see this part you can adjust. This, poke this out, and you can see there's a little pin in here. And you can move it around so you can get good adjustment. It's either a fixed position, which I'm in right now, slide it up, and I'm going to be in a 90 degree. Position, then I'll lock this. So you can see when this attaches, it'll be like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove this current tool holder right here by unthreading this fastener right here, and then you're going to attach this part on here, and then you'll have a rotating tool clamp holder. So you can adjust this section with how much movement you get with your tool. You can adjust that right here by loosening this fastener, pushing it out, this whole sleeve out actually. And then you can see there is a locking pin down here, and then you can move it to a locked position if you want, like this. I want a locking position, and then you can orient it, the tool holder, like that, and then go ahead and tighten it back up. So you have a lot of flexibility within this tool holder, the rotating tool holder, and then it attaches on here like this. So this is a fixed position like this. Now if I wanted to loosen it again, like this, and I'm going to push this whole section, this whole sleeve, adapter sleeve out like this, and now it's in this bigger 90-degree area. And then I just rotate this tool holder like this. So you can see now there is really good movement for your tool to move around depending on what your assembly looks like. So now that I've attached the adapter onto the rotating tool, I'm going to remove the current tool holder from the arm. There's a fastener back here. I will loosen. Then I'm going to be assembling it in this orientation. There you go. And you tighten it all the way. You get the gist of it, and then you can see how the tool can rotate like this. And then if I wanted to as well, I can loosen this part, and I can actually have more vertical movement as well, depending on what you want.